All right, I replaced the blue towels here because I want to catch some residue, see what it looks like, if I'm getting rust or clear or whatever it may be. So at this point, I'm just going to go under the truck and push the alcohol through, and we'll see what happens here at the fuel regulator port. Of course, I couldn't see, so I had to come up here to, yeah, I do see that it's coming through. I think one more shot. It's coming through, kind of a milky color. I'll keep pressing a bit more. All right, I can see it's a lot clearer now. So what I'm going to do is block this, open up that back injector, and see if I can get it pushed all the way through the rail. Okay, sorry for the angle. All I did was just use another vinyl glove and gently kind of crammed it into the fuel regulator ports. And now we're going to look at the very last, I guess you could say very last. I don't know, it's a crossover, so maybe it's not. I guess there's no last. Anyway, the far right hand back fuel injector port. So I'm going to push some more fluid through, some more alcohol. Stand by. Well, I definitely see some came out. It's got a little bit of coloration to it. So hopefully that is cleared. I'm going to put a little bit more alcohol in my container, and I might zap it one more time. All right, filled up the container. So I'm going to push a little bit more through that last one. All right, well, I hope we saw a little bit more come out. At this point, I'm going to close that one up with the fuel injector again, and then open up each one and give each one a push through. And then at that point, I think we're going to call it good and install the real injectors. Well, I've pushed alcohol through all the ports, injector ports. And right now, I've removed all the injectors. So let it kind of drip dry a little bit. I'm going to blow some air through it. And then just to help prevent any more flash rusting of the interior, I think I'm going to shove some Seafoam through it. It's got a light oil additive. Hopefully that will help. And then right after that, I'll start putting everything back together. Probably used about a quarter of a gallon flushing everything out. I definitely was getting clear fluid, no more residue. Couldn't see anything at all on the towels. So except for that back one, which it cleared up. And of course, right here at the fuel regulator port. So off to the next step. All right, one last push with what little Seafoam I have left, just to try to stop the interior from, like I said, flash rusting. All right, so stand by. Nothing like hitting your head on the bottom of the bed of the truck. All right, so we should have got more come through. Not being able to see it, I can't tell from where I was at. So I think we'll go one more hit. Try to push more through. This time I'll put this underneath there. Oh yeah, when it gets wet, I'll know it's coming through. All right, we definitely got fluid coming through. All right, this is good. And I can tell by the look of it, it's mainly Seafoam. All right, so went through a rust treatment. Then we went through isopropyl alcohol. And then we finished it off with Seafoam. So first thing I'm going to do is clean this port up. Get the regulator on there. Seal it up, stop air from interacting with the metal as much as I can anyway. And hopefully that's going to be good. All right,